$400 a month on content tools, 20 hours a week switching between them. I'm building one AI workspace to replace them all in public over the next 8 to 10 weeks. Canva, ChatGPT, Buffer, Grammarly, Notion. I was drowning in subscriptions and still spending entire weekends just reformatting content between platforms. I've spent the last month speaking with over 40 content creators and marketers. Turns out, I'm not alone. Everyone's using 5 to 7 different tools and losing hours to copy and paste workflows. So I'm building FlowContentApp, a workspace designed to learn your brand voice and generate content across all platforms in one place. Blog posts, LinkedIn, Instagram, emails. The vision? A week's content in 2 hours instead of 20. Most tools are just ChatGPT wrappers. I'm building something that actually understands content workflows. On this channel, weekly updates, real code, real struggles. You'll see the GitHub commits, the revenue dashboard, the wins, failures, and everything in between. Building a SaaS from scratch, starting with an 8-week sprint. Hit subscribe. This Friday's episode drops the complete roadmap, my tech stack decision, and we'll see the first working prototype. Comment below what feature you'd want most in a content tool. Let's see if we can crack this problem together.